Hey everyone, in today's 1-minute video, I'm going to show you a quick way to revitalize your showering experience, make you feel more energized. It's simple, using a wooden clothespin, either a large one or a small one. This is a hack that my mother showed me growing up. We've used this throughout my entire adolescent life, and it really does provide a better showering experience. So let's jump right into it. So all you're going to want to do is get some essential oils. I love the smell of lavender and eucalyptus. I'll just be using lavender for the sake of this video. And since it's a wooden clothespin, you're just going to want to soak it pretty good with these essential oils. I usually do both sides, like so. Okay, and you just take your clothespin, clip it to the top of your shower head, and as the hot water is coming out, it won't be hitting the clothespin directly, but the steam will rise up, hit the essential oils, and release a really pleasant smell while you're showering. And it really does help me, at least, wake up, which is always a struggle every morning, but lavender, eucalyptus bring me right back to life. Now, I wanted to quickly mention, if your clothespin does not attach to your shower head, you can always attach it to your shower curtain, close it. Again, the jet won't hit it directly, but the steam will reach it, releasing the smell, and you'll get the same effect. Well, everyone, I hope you enjoyed this quick little video on how to make your showering experience more pleasurable, revitalize you every morning, give you more energy. Depending on how often you shower, I usually shower just once a day, and I soak this thing pretty good, and it lasts about a week and a half before I have to add more. So it might vary depending on, how many people live in your household or how many showers you take. But hope you found this video informative. If you did, please give it a like, and hope to see you in the next video. Bye.